Alright guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing on how to solve quadratic equations, especially by using quadratic formula. But if you want to know how to solve quadratic equation using the completing the square or by factoring, you can check my other videos because I have been discussing those already. Okay, so let's proceed with our discussion. So before we discuss the examples, let's talk about the standard form of quadratic equation. So we have here the standard form of quadratic equation. So we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. We know that a, b, and c are the variables, and a should not be equals to 0. A should not be equals to 0. So we have the formula here, so you don't have to worry how the formula was derived, because most teachers will give you that problem separately. It doesn't connect with this. So if you want to know how to derive the formula, you can check my other video because it is there. I've already discussed that. So what you have to do is just substitute the values into the given formula, and it's pretty easy. So watch carefully. So we have ax squared plus bx plus c. This is the standard equation of quadratic equation. This is the standard equation, whereas this one is the general formula of quadratic, or we call it the quadratic formula. We have x is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all on to a. So now we have the examples here. So these examples are actually the quadratic equations. So let's discuss one example. So 3, let's 3x squared minus 5x minus 1. So on this case, 3 is a, negative 5 is b, negative 1 is c. So we have to just substitute all those values into this formula. So our formula is x is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all on to a. Okay, so let's just substitute the value. So minus b, we have b here, so put the minus sign, and our b here, it's a negative 5, so we put negative 5. Okay, we put the sign plus or minus, okay. Next, put the square root sign. Okay, we have b squared here, so our b here is negative 5, so it's negative 5 squared, okay, minus 4. Our a here is 3, so we put 3 here. Okay, next is c. So our c here is negative 1, it's negative 1. So minus negative times, or negative times negative 5, or negative times negative, we are positive. So we have a positive 5 here, positive 5 plus or minus we have square root. Okay, square root of negative 5, we have 25, a positive 25, minus 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times negative 12 times negative 1, we have a positive 12, all on 2a. Our a is 3. So So this one was all on 2a also. So x equals to 5 plus or minus square root of 25. 25 plus 12 is 37. So we have 37 all on 6. Okay, let's continue up here to solve. So we have x is equals to 5 plus or minus square root of 37 all on 6. So our answer is x is equals to 5 plus square root of 37 all on 6, and x is equals to 5 minus square root of 37 all on 6. Okay, if you want to take more precise answer, you can go ahead and simplify, but this is pretty much how it is done. Okay, let's see our second example. For x, it's 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Okay, 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. 4x squared plus 12x plus 9 equals 0. Okay, so in this case, this is our A, this is our B, this is our C. So our formula is x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all on 2a. So let's just substitute the values. So x is equals to minus b, our b is 12, so it's 12 plus or minus square root. We have b is 12, 12 squared minus 4. Our a is 4, and our c is 9, so it's 4ac. So 4 times c is 9. Okay, all on 2 times a is 4. Okay, so let's solve it. So we have negative 12 plus or minus square root of 12 is 144 minus 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 9 is 144 also. So all on 8. So we have x is equals to minus 12 plus or minus square root of 0 is this is 0. So square root of 0 is 0. All on 8. So our answer is x is equals to minus 12 on 8, which is equals to 3 on 2. Okay, that is our solution. So our answer to our solution. So you can see that in this we have only one solution, and in our second example we have only one solution, whereas in our first example we had two solutions here. So that is the uniqueness of the quadratic equations. So I think that's all for how to solve the quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. And if you find the video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.